Good morning. My name is Brock Peters from the X Channel, and now an update about the widespread of major depressive disorder. It's spreading all over the world. What about here in Bangkok? The situation? Chaotic. Many locals fear for their lives. Is this really something to fear about? This is the question.
ชีวิตมันท้อมันหดมันย้อยมันเสื่อมมันถอยมันเบื่อและทรมาน